Yes, I am the same person. I promise. If you're a return subscriber, you probably have never seen me like this. I've always had this massive beard, much longer than I've had this YouTube channel, maybe like 5 years plus. But anyways, it was time for a change. It may come back, it may not. But as long as you do not unsubscribe, I'm cool with it. Just don't make fun of me too much. Anyways, let's get to today's video. We are checking out this speaker by EasySMX. It's called VKF2 Pro. It doesn't matter. All it is a really good looking Bluetooth speaker. It kind of has a Black Ops kind of like theme to it. It is a Bluetooth 5.0 speaker, good battery life. It is very rugged. You can charge it with USB Type-C. It has cool LED lighting, which you can turn off. It also has a built-in microphone. You can take calls with this. Hello?
Good afternoon. My name is Yvonne Ethan, calling from Sirius XM. This call may be recorded for quality purposes. Nijin Xiaomulu, please.
I got the wrong number. And a couple of the very impressive things about it are the fact that it's waterproof. It's IPX7. Yeah. And right now they have this on Amazon with the coupons for only, I think, like 22 bucks. So you can get two of these. Each of them is 24 watts. And let's get a little bit more water. Each of them is 24 watts. So you can get two of them for almost 50 watts for less than 50 bucks. I have tested a lot of speakers, and probably at this price point, this is probably the best speaker I have reviewed. I'm looking back here because that's where I have lined up all my speakers. And pretty impressive for the price. But again, as long as that coupon is there, I'll put a link down in the description below. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Sean. This is my tech channel where I do unboxing, reviews, and tutorials of different tech stuff like this. So if you think you like these content, please consider subscribing. And please make sure turn the bell notification to all, because that's the only way you'll be notified for all my future videos. With that out of the way, let's talk about the speaker. Like I said, the build is very, very solid. They call this kind of like a sport model because you can, it looks like it can take a beating. The front mesh, it looks like it's some sort of like aluminum, so it's not plastic at the front. And then the top and bottom are fairly, it's kind of like a hard plastic. They have this logo on the sides. I wish that was a little bit more subtle, but it is there anyways. All the buttons at the top, you have your power, plus, play, minus, and light button that you can cycle through with different light effects or turn the lights off. And you have the port in the back where you have your USB Type-C for charging, as well as maybe a reset button and auxiliary ports. So that's pretty much it. Let's listen to the audio. I have a dB meter. We're gonna measure how loud it gets when you listen to one of them, and I'm gonna pair both of them, and then we're gonna listen to both of them. By the way, some of the hit songs that you are listening to, the way I'm able to legally use them, I found this cool website. I can actually buy licenses for my YouTube videos, so I have a link down below if you guys want to check them out. And if you want to support me, just like this video so more people will get to see these.
Snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. With it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. How you keep staying the same. But baby, I get something different, and I'm okay with that. Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time for the rap.
So the dual pairing is you need to make sure none of them are connected to your phone, And then once they both are turned on one of the speakers, you push and hold the plus and minus button at the same time. And looks like that will do the trick. Let's see. All right, so now both speakers are paired together. Now we just need to connect the phone to the speaker. Let's see.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. How you keep staying the same. But baby,
with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. With it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it.
So what do you guys think? If you're gonna get one, you'd be happy absolutely with just having one of them, but obviously two sounded so much louder at 100.7 and a half dB at about a foot away. This is probably one of the loudest combos I have listened to, especially at this price point. The bass, there's definitely some bass, but you gotta have realistic expectations. The bass you get out of a speaker like this, it's gonna be very different than the bass you get out of a speaker like this that actually have room to displace air. It comes down to basic physics. So with realistic expectation, you do have bass. We listen to obviously different types of songs. It could have been a little bit crisper. Maybe have a little bit better highs and separation of the highs and the mids and lows. It does come with a strap also, and you can loop it down on this side. In the box, you get the owner's manual, you get the strap, you get a cable, you get an auxiliary cable, and I think that's it. Oh, and a USB type A to USB type C, pretty standard. One thing I forgot to mention, hopefully you're still watching this video, the company, I may be able to get some giveaway from them. I'm trying to clarify it. They also have other stuff that they sell on their website. I think they have gaming headsets, and I'm gonna be able to get one or two as a giveaway. So if you're interested in winning, one, power to you for still watching this, and your reward is you may be able to enter into the drawing. All you need to do, like and comment down below that you would like to enter, and in my Instagram account, you need to send me a DM, type EasySMX, and that's all you need to do. DM me on Instagram, EasySMX. Yes, EasySMX, and that will be it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.